Ask you to take me to go shopping in Paris or go sailing overseas and just drape me in Gucci, no. All I ever asked was you to pick up the phone when you alone. All I ever asked was you to show me some love, kisses and hugs. No, I never had an issue, go to the club with your boys, baby. I never wanted you to stay too long, just wanted you to show me up. So won't you say my name, say my name. If you claim you want me, it ain't no thing.
Aha! Hello! It's Bokang Vlogs! Hey! 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 Go shoot! Go shoot!
22.
Boo! Yeah, boo! Yeah, boo! La boo! Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to the life of Bokang. Welcome to another POV, guys. This time I'm actually gonna be quiet, so I hope you guys enjoy the video. Who the fuck put the speed bump here? I said it's gonna be quiet. Shut up. What the fuck is this, motherfucker? What kind? What kind? Bro, look. Very nice, very nice. Wow. Very nice, very nice. Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, The Life of Bokang. And this is my beautiful, beautiful bagged polo. I've had this car for, I would say, around 2.5 years now. It's good as a daily driver, but I'm gonna say the air suspension has been pretty unreliable for me. And it's crazy because I had 3 of my friends who bagged their cars around the same time as me. Their cars are perfectly fine. They've never had to replace their top mounts, any of their anything. It's been good. For me, I've had to replace a lot of stuff. Look at her. She's mean. She's a gold digger. Sylvia, I've fitted a luxury suspension, Bluetooth. It's all running all sleeves. I've got I don't know how big this tank is. I've got. Don't mind it, it's a bit dirty. I've got this much of a tank. I don't know how much it is. Running one 10-inch tugger. It's a 10,000 watts, I think. One wheel cap gone. Do you know black people? Hey, black people are dangerous. I went to the mall. I'm not gonna say I stayed in there for like 20 minutes. Bro, when I came out, they had stolen my wheel cap and my mirror cover. Yeah. So I haven't placed that. Now my car looks okay from this angle. Come on, man. It looks salvage. Salvage. It looks salvage. Oh, especially. Oh. Yeah, man. I just have a few things I just need to touch up, and I'll put the wheels back on since I haven't had the wheels on in, I'll probably say like a month now. I've been running these, and the thing I hate about wheel caps is that they always fall off, so I have to tie them with these pieces of I'm swearing. Yeah, other than that, it's pretty much a bone stop part. Let me do this. Dude, look, it's pretty stop. Lovely. So yeah guys. Yeah, that's it. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to the life of okay no. Is that a Porsche? Oh my god. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to the channel. Nah.